Hi my dears, welcome back to our new video. Today we can discuss the next topics of our fifth lesson, presentation software. Okay, so let's move to the topics. Today is our first topic, that is inserting various objects in a slide. Okay, first of all we are going to discuss about how to insert a text box to a slide. What do you mean by a text box? Text box is used to add text anywhere on your slide. So when you open a slide, here itself you can see the placeholders. Here inside this placeholder you can insert the text. So other than this placeholders, if you want any more text boxes, that you can insert. For that, the steps are, first of all, select the slide where you want to add a text. So here already we selected the first slide. If there are more slides, you have to select the where you want to insert the text, that particular slide you have to select. Okay, so here I just select the first slide. Then step 2, click the insert tab on the ribbon. So here from the ribbon, select the insert tab. From that, click the text box from the text group. Okay, so here you can see the text group, and here you can see the option text box. Click the text box option. Okay. After that, drag to draw a text box where you want to add text. So if you, after clicking this text box, if you move the pointer, you can see this type of mouse pointer. Okay, when you saw this type mouse pointer, you can start drawing the text box by clicking and dragging. Click it, then you can see a cross symbol. After that, drag to draw the text box. Then release the mouse button. Okay, then inside that you can see the cursor and you can type whatever you want. You can type inside the text box. Got it everyone? These about how to insert a text box in a slide. Okay, after that you can see formatting the text, that you all know this box, one box you can see here, that box you all know very well. What all things, that is how to make the text bold, italic, how to change the font, how to change the font size, font color and the alignment. All things you know very well. Anyway, I will show you how to apply. Okay, so let me type inside this placeholder. Okay, so here first of all, if you want to make this particular text bold, italic and underline, you have to select this one. After that, from the home tab, font group, you can see BIU, which means bold, italic, underline respectively. Okay, so if you want to make it bold, click the B button. Otherwise, if you want to make it italic, click the I. Then if you want to make the underline, click the U. Okay, see, now it's in bold, italic and underline. Got it? The next one is to change the font. Same way itself, select the text from the home tab, font group. You can see here font, different font styles. Click the drop down arrow and choose the style. Okay, then font size. Select the text. After that, near to the font style, you can see the font size drop down arrow. Click it and select the size of the text. Okay, then font color. Inside this font group itself, you can see here one icon font color option. You can see, click the drop down arrow, any color palette you can see, from that you can choose the color, desired color you can choose it. Okay, then alignment, that you all know very well, we already discussed how to align, that is inside the placeholder. If you want to align, what we have to do, select it. After that, from the paragraph group, you can see here align, text left, center, align text right, justify. So where you want, that you can select it. Now I just select the right side so that inside the placeholder the text move to the right side. And again, if you want to make it center, click the center option and it will be in a center position. Okay. Same way itself you can do all the formatting the text inside this text box also. Okay. For that the same procedure itself, select the text and you can apply all these things. Okay. Bold, italic, underline from the font group under the home tab. Then if you want to change the font style, you can select it, increase the size of the text, then you can do the alignment also. Okay, same way itself. So these are all about formatting the text. So next we are going to discuss an interesting one, that is inserting word art. We already discussed the how to insert word art in Microsoft Word, isn't it? Same way itself here also options, that is the steps are same itself. Okay, so we can choose the another slide and we can do the word art option. Okay, so let's start discussing how to insert word art. For that, word art means that you all know it is used to insert attractive text in a slide. So, one by one effects we applied for this particular text welcome and we make this particular text attractive. So, several steps we have to do for making this particular text attractive. Instead of that, if you are using word art, some built-in attractive text formats are given in this particular software. Okay. So, that is the word art. For inserting word art, I just select the second slide and click on the first placeholder. After that, first step is click the insert tab on the ribbon. Okay. After that you can see the text group. Inside that you can see word art option. Click the drop down arrow, then you can see enough and more styles are available. Different word art styles are there. From that you can choose your own style. So let me select this one. So you can see a text box appear. Inside that you can see your text here, which means inside this text box you can type your own any text. Okay. After that you can click outside. Then that particular text is inserted. So if you want to move this particular text to anywhere in the slide, just you can see four-sided arrows you can see. If you saw that particular pointing symbol, click there and drag to anywhere where you want. Okay, anywhere you can move this particular word art text. Got it everyone? How to insert word art into your slide. Okay. The next one is we are going to discuss, that is how to insert pictures. For inserting picture, mainly there are two options are available, that is picture from clip art, otherwise from picture from file. Okay. Built-in clip art means built-in ready-made pictures are available in clip art. Okay. So from the software itself some ready-made pictures are available. From there you can choose some pictures and you can insert to the your own slide. Otherwise you can select the pictures, your own pictures from pen drive or from the system itself you can choose and you can insert. Okay. So first of all we can discuss how to insert a picture from clip art. Simple thing only. Let me take a new slide. After that I will show you how to insert. For that, click the insert tab. Then after that you can see here images group. You can see clip art option. Click this clip art option. Then the clip art task pane appears on the right hand side of the window. Here you can see the clip art task pane. Then type the name of the picture you want to search in the search for box. So here already given animals, otherwise whatever it is, flowers, foods, vegetables, which type of pictures you want, that you can type it. If it is available in this software, it will be shown here in this blank area. So let me give search option this itself and let me click go button. So now you can see whatever animal pictures are there in this particular software you can view here. You can choose any one, just click it, then that particular one will be inserted to the slide. Got it everyone? This is all about clip art. The next one is we are discussing inserting picture from file. Okay, from file means from our own system. If any particular saved images are there, that you can insert to this slide. Okay, for that same way itself, click the insert tab, images group. Near to the clip art option you can see picture option, picture from file option, click it. Then a dialog box will appear. From there you can choose the picture. So let me take it from any picture from here, click it and click the insert button. Then you can see here, and these two pictures, both the pictures you can resize. That means you can adjust the size of the picture. Here you can see that this tulip picture is too big and this one is small one. So if you want to make adjustments or to move somewhere, click and you can drag it anywhere to make its position, proper position. Okay, and if you want to increase the size of the picture, here you can see dotted bubbles, you can see circles. Okay, so just move the pointer towards that circles, corner circles, and just click and you can drag it and increase the size of the picture. Same way itself, all the picture size you can adjust. Got it? And if you want to move it anywhere, click it and move it, and you can adjust the size. And here left, right and top and bottom you can see middle of this edges you can see this square. If you are moving cursor towards that, you can drag it vertically or horizontally. Okay, like that way also you can increase the size. Got it everyone? This is all about how to insert picture from file. The next we are going to discuss inserting shapes. Different types of shapes are available in this system. That is different arrow shape, rectangle, square, like that different shapes are available. So if you want to insert to this slide, the steps are: click the insert tab, then click shapes from the illustrations group. Here you can see illustrations group, and from there you can see shapes option. Click the drop down arrow and you can see enough and more shapes are available. Which one you want, that you just click it and move towards the slide and click and drag to draw. So now we draw the shape inside the slide, and if you want to insert any text inside this particular shape, right click inside the shape. Menu will appear. Inside that you can see the option edit text, click it. So now you can see the cursor inside that. So there you can enter the text. Okay, so inside the shape, if you want to insert any text, right click, then click the option edit text. Okay, after that type the text. So these are all about how to insert shape. Got it? And next we are moving how to insert a chart. What do you mean by a chart? Chart and graphs are a great method of depicting information pictorially. This improves the clarity of the concept without much explanation, which means charts and graphs. That is, simply if you draw a particular figure, table and all, it will be very difficult to understand. So that particular information you can draw like a picture format by using this charts or graphs. Okay. So surveys and all, I think you saw that particular type of graphs and all. So now we can study how to insert the chart into this particular slide. For that, first of all you have to select the slide. After that, click the insert tab. Then step 2 is click the chart from the illustrations group. So here illustrations group itself, you can see the chart option. Click the chart option. Then a dialog box will appear. Insert chart dialog box will appear. From there, select the type of the chart from the left pane, and the subtypes of the selected chart will be reflected on the right pane. That is, here you can see different types of charts are available in different shapes. Now it's in column format, so it means this type of chart. If you are clicking line, line format charts you can see, subtypes lines you can see. If it is a pie chart, this is the pie chart format. So different varieties are available. According to your wish, you can select the chart. So now I am just going to click on this particular 3D pie chart. So select it. After that, click OK. Now this particular chart inserted to your slide, and here you can see a Microsoft Excel window for typing the details. Okay, so here you can see first quarter, QTR means quarter 8.2. That means this blue color area is first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Color scales are given here, and blue color means first quarter. That value for that is 8.2. So this one, out of 100, 8.2 percentage is first quarter, and second quarter is 3.2 percentage is second quarter. So if you want to change this particular details by your own details, you can change it. Anything you can type it here. So if I change it this 8.2 to 10, see the difference, little bit increased. And here this particular 1/4 quarter only this much. If you want to increase this fourth quarter value to 10 itself, you can increase. See, this one increased this much. Got it? This color. Like that way you can edit the values or content of the charts also. Okay. Then one important thing is, after you update the worksheet, the chart in PowerPoint updates automatically with the new data. Okay. So whatever you are editing here, that will be automatically applied to this chart. So these are all about the charts. How to insert the chart. Next one is formatting the chart. That is, some editing options are also available here. That is, editing option means here built in some colors. After entering the data and all, you can close this particular Microsoft Excel window. Okay. Now we will back to our PowerPoint window. And if you want to make any editings, that is, want to change the color of the chart like that way, if you want, you can do it. For that, first one is changing the chart layout. After inserting the chart, if you want to change its layout for better data analysis, you can do it easily. To change the layout, the steps are, first of all, you have to select the chart. Okay, just click the chart. Then you can see here the design tab you can see. Okay, this is the design tab. If you are clicking outside, you can't see the design tab here in this ribbon. So if you choose this particular chart, then only you can view this design tab. Okay, design tab, layout tab and format tab. These three additional tabs will be available if you are clicking inside the chart. Okay. Then step 2 is click more button from the chart style group. Okay. Here if you are selecting this design tab, you can see the chart style group. Okay. And here you can see the more button. Click it, then different varieties are available. So here on built-in color, this one you can see. If you want to change the color or style, you can select it. Then according to that it will change. Then step 3, choose the new layout which is more suitable to the data items. So you can choose it. Okay, this is all about how to change the chart layout. The next one is changing the background colors and patterns. Okay, for that, right click on the plot area of the chart and select the format plot area. That is, click the plot area here. If I click this particular area, you can see these particular part selected. If I select here, this particular part selected. So divisions inside the chart, each division you can select by clicking inside it. Okay. So select this plot area where you want to change. Then after that, inside that plot area, just right click. Then you can see the option format plot area. Format data point. Here it's format data point. According to the version, slight variations will be there for each options. Okay. So now I select this one. Format data point. Okay. Then step 2, select the border styles, border color, shadow, effect according to your choice. So here some options are available. According to your wish, you can select it. If you are clicking the fill option, it will be available. Gradient fill if it is. Any type of patterns you can give other than this one. So if I give this particular pattern, that particular plot will be in that style. Okay. Border if you want to give for solid line with another color border, you can give that, you can apply. Okay. Like the different border. So here you can see a red border, you can see. Okay. The next one is click on the fill option. Here you can see the fill option. Then any patterns or anything if you want to give, that also possible. Then texture, different texture effects if you want to give, that also possible here. So whatever you wish, according to your wish, you can choose the options. Okay. And after all applying the effects, you can click the close button. Got it everyone? These are about charts. Okay, we discussed how to insert the chart and how to format the chart style and the layout, color, background, patterns and everything we can change according to our wish. Okay, the next we are moving to rearranging slides. Rearranging slides means here you can see how many slides are inserted here. Total 5 slides are available now. In the left pane you can see the slides. Total 5 slides are available. If you want to rearrange it, that is the first slide, this chart slide, I just want to move to as a first slide. How it will be possible? For that, step 1 is in the normal view, click slides tab. Okay, that is slides tab, you can see it's in normal view. Then select a slide which you want to move, drag the selected slide to the location you want. Simply you just click the slide and click and drag to the position where you want to move. I just move to the second position, so last one moved to the second position. And if you want to make this particular slide to the first one, click it and drag towards that slide number. Okay, now it's selected. Got it everyone? So these are all about our lesson. So now let's discuss our section A exercises. Okay, that is the first one is picture quiz. Identify the icon used to create a presentation using sample templates. Which one is the icon? That is option C. Okay, just to see the icon. Okay, option C. Put a tick mark on option C. Then second one, identify the icon used to create presentation using themes. Which one? That is also option C. Put a tick mark on option C. Then next moving to the multiple choice questions. First one, who gave the idea of PowerPoint? Who gave it? That is it Bob Gaskins. Option A, Bob Gaskins. Okay, put a tick mark and along with the tick mark you just underline that particular answer. Okay. Then second one, dash is an electronic presentation displayed on a computer screen. Which is the electronic presentation displayed on computer screen? That is slide show. Option A, slide show. Write down in the dotted line slide show. Third one, dash is the latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint. The latest version is PowerPoint 2016. Option B, PowerPoint 2016. Fourth one, dash are the set of colors, fonts and special effects. That is themes, special effects, fonts, colors, everything combined together in themes. Okay, so write down option A, themes. Fifth one, dash are the pictorial presentation of user data. That is chart. We are using for the pictorial presentation, representation, we are using charts. So option A, chart. Then moving to the fill in the blanks. First question, Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of, Microsoft Word is a part of which package? Microsoft Office. Same way itself, we will get this Microsoft PowerPoint also from Microsoft Office package. Microsoft Office package. Second one, dash represents a page in a presentation. Which one? A particular page means slide. Okay, slide represents page in a presentation. Then third one, dash is used to add text anywhere on your slide. Which one? That is, if you want to insert the text, you have to give text box. Okay. Third one, text box. Then fourth one, a dash is a single media file including picture, sound, animation or movies. That is clip art. Ready-made pictures we will get from the clip art option. So fourth one, answer clip art. Got it everyone? So these are all about our exercise part, question answers. I gave some and the last one I will give you along with this video. Copy to your notebook, write neatly and study well. Okay, so see you on next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.